Before any construction begins, soil testing is crucial. These tests reveal vital information about soil composition and potential issues affecting the build. Understanding soil-bearing capacity is key, as it determines the load the soil can support, ensuring structural integrity of the structure. Soil tests also identify soil types, such as clay, sand, or silt, with each type affecting foundation design and the appropriate construction methods to employ. Importantly, these tests can detect expansive soils, which swell and shrink with moisture changes, potentially risking foundation cracks and failures. Moreover, soil testing helps determine water table levels. High water tables can significantly impact foundation stability and may require special drainage considerations. Ultimately, investing in soil testing is a smart decision, saving money in the long run by preventing costly repairs resulting from soil-related structural damage. Ignoring this critical step can lead to severe problems down the road.